Hi friends, good afternoon. Hoping and expecting all are safe, fine. So today's session is for the. I'm getting many questions, ma'am. What is the solution for this, that? So I'm instead of solving there, I'm just making a question answer session. This is one-sided. I will give answer already whatever you ask the questions. So please watch this till end. There are some interesting topics at the end I'm keeping. So just watch it till end. Let us start. Before that, if you are not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is the same leave and more update, click on bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. Let us start now. Ma'am, there is a any possibilities to change in the exam date? It will reschedule or it will be continue as the last session wherever our sir had conducted, president sir of ICMAI, they also told there is no possibilities to change the exam date and there is no plan about that. So please you make your mindset, it won't be changed, but till we cannot tell it will change or not, because June, whatever the situation, because whatever the pandemic is going on, we don't know as if now what will happen. So until that you have to assume the exam will conduct on 11th June only, because I know there are a lot of problems in lot of states, as I'm getting questions that ma'am, our state, they are opening their schools, colleges after June only, in July only it will start, then how they will allow to write the exams and all. I already sent the mail. Let us see what will happen. As soon as they will reply, I will make the video and I will tell you what is the situations. This is the question. As of now, there is no changes in examination postponed date or anything. Whatever they have scheduled already, so it will conduct on that date only. So please make your mindset on 11th June 2020 the exam will start. So next question, revaluation result or re-verification result. As our president sir told already that the papers were stuck in somewhere and we are not able to collect it due to lockdown. There are problems. Might be after lockdown you will get the verification result. Till that, if you want to fill the form, examination form. If any passing students are there, they will refund the amount, so don't worry about that. You fill the form. Let us see after lockdown, might be the result will become, and you, if any passing students are there, they can get the refund, so you can fill the form. So you can wait until the lockdown. After lockdown also it will take, might be 8 to 15 days, because process will be the different. So just wait and fill the form. There are some other questions. After 12th I want to join for the CMA intermediate. After 12th you cannot join, because after 12th you want to join the CMA course, you have to go through the foundation, then you can go to the inter. Directly after 12th you cannot join the inter, because inter joining you need graduation degree or foundation degree, so foundation exam. So you can choose foundation. It will be within some time, it will be closed, so you can go in that. You take the admission for the foundation course and then you can go to the inter while you are studying the degree, BCom or some other degrees. If you are taking side by side, you can join it. That is not a problem. One more question. There is a, previously I have filled the group 2, now I want to join group 1 also. So how can I do better? This question you can contact the institute. They will guide you and they will suggest to how to fill and what you can do, because after the lockdown they have changes. There are many updates, like if you are filling both the groups, there are a lot of exemptions. They have given training and filling the whatever the papers and all, they have given the exemptions. So if you want to do both the groups, already you have filled single and you want to go for one, you wanna go for one more group, so you can call the institute or go mail them and ask what is the procedure, how can we do it. So it will be helpful, because a lot of queries I got about this. So next question, to clarify doubts. Okay, so clarification, a lot of students ask me the WhatsApp number. I have already shared my WhatsApp number. So before calling me, make sure that you just message me, take the timings. Whenever I will free, I will pick the call. So first clarify that whatever the time I will free, I will answer you. So make sure that before calling me, just ping me, so I will try to tell you the confirm the timings, and that time I can clarify your doubts. So that's it. And one more questions. Next question. Can we get the salary more than 3 lakh after CMA course? Of course, you will get not only 3 lakhs, it is a basic also, it won't, you will get more than that based on your ability, where you are joining, what you are producing, your skills, how you are doing in that organization, what kind of you have the skills, what daring and what kind of interview you are giving, how much you have confidence your level. See, any course there is a negative and positivity will be there. So whatever you will take, how you are taking the challenges, it will be matter. So 3 lakh is not a big deal here. As of now, whatever I'm seeing, I saw a lot of my friends, they are in 16-17 lakhs, and some of the friends, they are not getting even job. It is up to you. It is not will get or not. In every courses or every professionals, there are challenges, so you have to accept it and you make yourself that eligible. So you'll get, obviously it is not a big deal. 3 lakh is not a big deal. You will get aram se. Okay, one more thing for members, I have uploaded one video. Might be I will upload again next. You, when any whoever want to join, you can join that and take the benefit of it. It is a good videos. If you check that, you will get to know what I'm giving that. So if you want to join, you can join that. Next question. Some of the students, they told me they are giving the BCom exams also and BCom CMA exams also. There are a lot of pressure, which exams we have to give or which exam we are not able to give, what we have to do. There is a lot of pressure. So first of all, I will tell, don't take pressure. Life is the important. As per your convenience, you decide whatever the important. Exams will come again and again. You can give the exam 6 months once, BCom ka hoga or CMA ka, whatever the exams you can give. But life is the most priority. Pressure में आके कुछ भी decision मत लेना. Take on proper decision. See the safety first. Whatever you can able to give it, and make sure whatever you are giving with the safety way first. And then if you are able to clear, just go and give it. If CMA wale, if you are not giving the BCom exams, or you are free only give the CMA exams. If you are not ready also, you can go and give that exams, because don't lose the attempts. You will get to know what is the situation in the examination. If the situations are safe, or in June month, if some problem happened, might be there will be a lot of changes. So you cannot tell it will happen this and that. So I will tell, don't take the pressure. Whatever your convenience, you can do. You can take the decisions. So now, most probably one big things. Someone told there, due to they are not changed, postpone the exams. There are a lot of, I saw the messages in the YouTube and controversy that institute aisa hai, institute waisa hai, they are not taking the decisions, this, that. So first of all, you respect yourself, your institute, then only you can give this course, you can survive in this course. If you are feeling yourself negative, how you will survive? If you are feeling down yourself or negative, you can't survive anywhere, not only CMA course, anywhere you are going. If you are not confident in yourself and you are thinking negative about this, so you never survive. So be positive, think positive. And they are not taking decision, it doesn't mean they are purposely doing. Might be there are a lot of reasons and a lot of things will be there. We don't know what will happen the next situation also. What is the next mode? Because the whatever pandemic going on, it is all over world, not only in Bangalore or not only anywhere. Wherever I am staying, I am in the red zone actually. Now we have a lot of this side, that side, everywhere positive cases, and we are locked ourselves and we are staying here. So you cannot imagine what we are going. So please be positive. Whatever they are taking decisions, let's see what will happen. The situation might be changed, not changed, but stop the pointing institute or anything. It is a bad, it is a something, and stop the controversies, because it is not you. Until unless you won't respect, you can't achieve anything. So please try to respect what you are doing, then only it will be effective. Okay, so please be positive, don't take tension, as per your convenience. Any student whoever want to give exams, or if you are feeling or facing any some kind of a difficulties like books nahi hai, the net nahi hai, something problem, so we are not able to cover, please try to make it how much you can make. जितना होगा उतना ट्राई कीजिए, क्योंकि देयर इज ए गिविंग रीजन इज वेरी इजी एंड फाइटिंग फॉर द सिचुएशन इज वेरी डिफरेंट. See, if anyone want to do the study or any work, they will do in any cost, any condition. If someone want to give the reasons, there are a lot of reasons to give yourself. And don't make this due to pandemic I'm not able to give the exams, and this, don't give excuses. It is not excuses for others. You will lose your time, because time is the most important part. Already we are in April end. When it started this lockdown in March end, we are in April end. 40 days, 45 days, however it gone, we don't even know how it is gone. So some people are, wherever I've seen lot of students, or I've met my friends, they are utilizing in a different way. They are not able to, they are telling this time we won't get, this is the very precious time and we are working it, because after lockdown we are started going to office, we won't get the time. So I appreciated that, because they are working in that hard. Office में 8 hours करते, 9 hours करते, but now they are working as a 14 hours, 15 hours. They are doing their other works, other things, and with that they are doing their works also. So I am really happy for this. If you want to do in any situation, you can do anything. So please stop the giving excuses. Who are sincerely not able to possible to do studies after trying a lot of sources, that is excuses is fine. But if you have all the sources and you are not able to do, then it is your problem. So please don't waste your time. Whatever will happen, anytime exam date might be will change, might be not. Be ready for yourself. Stop negativity, stop pressurizing, make yourself. Life is the most important, and for that I'm not telling lose the attempt. You have to give the attempt if possibility, with a safe mode. So this is it. If you have any doubt, queries, please write down in the message or comment box, or WhatsApp number already it is there. So I will try to answer it. Whenever I am busy, might be I won't answer, but whenever I will see and it is a necessity, I will definitely I will answer. So if you have doubt and queries, please message it, drop the message. I will try to answer it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Take care, be safe, stay at home. Bye bye.